If you ever wish Chrome could stay on top of every other window on your screen, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to keep Chrome always on top of other windows using a free Microsoft tool called PowerToys. This is super useful if you like watching videos while working, following a tutorial while taking notes, or keeping an important web page visible at all times. And best of all, it only takes a few simple steps. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open any browser on your computer. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or really any browser you already have installed. We just need a browser so we can download PowerToys from Microsoft. Once your browser is open, go to the Microsoft PowerToys website at learn.microsoft.com/en-gb/windows/PowerToys. You can also just search for Microsoft PowerToys in your browser if that is easier. When the PowerToys page loads, look for the download button that says Download PowerToys. Click that and the setup file will begin downloading to your computer. After the download finishes, open the installer file and go through the installation process. Just follow the prompts on the screen, accept the installation options if needed, and let PowerToys finish installing. Once it's installed, open PowerToys from your Start menu or from the desktop shortcut if one was created. The PowerToys settings window will open, and this is where all the different tools are managed. On the left-hand menu, click the option called Always on Top. This is the feature we need in order to pin Chrome above other windows. Now you should see the settings for Always on Top. Find the toggle switch and turn it on. As soon as you enable it, the feature becomes active on your computer. This means you can now make any window stay on top, including Google Chrome. Next, open Google Chrome normally. You can use any Chrome window you want, whether it's a website, a video, or a document in the browser. With Chrome open, press the keyboard shortcut Windows plus Ctrl plus T. That's the key combination that activates always on top for the current window. Once you press it, Chrome will stay above all the other windows on your screen. You'll know it worked because you should see a colored border appear around the Chrome window. That border is the visual confirmation that the window has been pinned on top. Now you can click into other apps, open new windows, and Chrome will remain visible in front of everything else. If you ever want to turn it off, just press the same shortcut again, Windows plus Ctrl plus T. The border will disappear and Chrome will go back to behaving like a normal window again. It's that simple. So, to quickly recap, install PowerToys, open the Always on Top setting, turn it on, open Chrome, and use Windows plus Ctrl plus to pin it. This is a really handy trick for productivity, multitasking, and keeping important content visible while you work. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.